Am I the only one who didn't know cruises could be this awesome? Let's find out how to make the most of it. First things first, plan your itinerary. Pick the right cruise line and destinations that match your vibe. Love adventure? Go for excursions. Prefer relaxing? Look for spa days and sunset views. Next up, pack smart. Bring comfy clothes, swimwear, and a fancy outfit for captain's dinner. Don't forget your motion sickness remedies, just in case. On board, explore all the activities. Try something new every day, whether it's a cooking class, a dance lesson, or just lounging by the pool. Balance is key. Mix relaxation with a bit of excitement. And finally, stay healthy. Hydrate, use sunscreen, and wash your hands often. Nothing ruins a cruise faster than feeling under the weather. Got any funny cruise stories? Share them in the comments. And don't forget to check out our video on top destinations for your next cruise. Happy cruising!